Hey guys, and welcome back. So day 2 on track. Today, I guess. So I didn't do too much extra to the arm, and it's probably not even noticeable. But I just moved the elbow up a bit as well, and I've started marking places where I want detail to be. Oh, excuse me. Where I want a detail to be later on. Anyway. Change the eye, this area a little bit as well. Because we'll need some more geometry, but we're going to add some more detail in here as well. But while I'm here, I'm going to, because we're getting to the end of the things that will be symmetrical, I'm going to mark out where I want the cuts in the fins. So it's really just a matter of like taking a piece, and we'll just like start putting little notches in where we think the cuts are going to be. We're also going to put holes in the fin as well. So there's definitely one there. Maybe another one up here. So in this one, we'll put one in the middle. Maybe one right next to it. And one at the top. And we'll put a hole here. And maybe a hole here. So it's just, as I said, we're just marking them off, and then I'll show you the process for that. So maybe we'll put a couple here on this one. That looks alright. Maybe a hole here. Maybe two. Maybe one here as well. I don't want them to be two the same, so maybe we'll put a big hole here, and then here, here, and here. And maybe this one will just have a hole and just like one cut there. Cool. We'll do the same for the tail fins as well. And you don't want to make them too even as well. That would look really bad. Well, it's not that it's bad, it just doesn't work. Like visually, you can tell that like you're being too careful with how it's being presented. So and don't do the opposite. So if I was to do this, it would look, it looks, you can see it looks too similar. So we'll just do cuts in this one, I think. Awesome, so that's looking better. We'll do the same on the arms and the head as well. But before we do that, so we'll go to here. We'll use our slice circle, and it's going to tell us to use Control and Shift to cut the hole, and you get this kind of thing. And it should, because I did it just before. Wait, did I choose the right one? Slice circle, sorry. No, trim circle? It's one of them. Trim circle, yes. Why is it being weird? It worked just before. There we go. So we've got a hole. So last time I actually, sorry, there's something that I'm missing maybe with this. So last time what I did is I stretched one of the planes out like this, and then we went trim circle. That made a hole? No. It's really weird. Well, I guess it doesn't matter what shape. We just want a hole here. But it seems to just be like bridging those two spots together. What about lasso? Yeah, see, it's not working with that either. Like, it won't cut anything, it's so stupid. Well, I need to work that out, but essentially we need to make holes in the geometry. I know I can boolean, but I was hoping just to be able to trim these out, but I guess I'll work that part out. Anyway, I'll leave it there, but hopefully you had a good Tuesday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.